When you are thinking how to look classy in wedding functions but confused about choosing the right outfit and elegant look for a summer wedding where you are free to try playing around with different colors, dresses, and looks, styling yourself should always be fun. So, stay tuned to have some style guidance for Indian wedding guests. Indian weddings are not only weddings, but whirlwind of vibrant colors, rituals, dance, joyful music, delicious foods, and full of enjoyment. As a guest, you get to be a part of this magical celebration. So, your outfit and looks should reflect that. Here are some classic and fusion ideas that will have you looking stunning and feeling perfectly in place. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold colors and patterns. But, before picking any garments and looks, there are some things to be considered. Number 1. The occasion. As Indian weddings can be grand multi-day celebrations or intimate gatherings, it can be a haldi, mehendi, sangeet, wedding, or reception, and your whole look will depend on the dress code of the particular event. Number 2. The timing of the event. Whether it is a daytime function or evening program, a daytime wedding might call for lighter colors and fabrics like cotton, chiffon, or georgette. For an evening event, you can choose richer fabrics like silk or brocade and bolder colors with shimmering embellishments. Number 3. Comfort. You will be spending a lot of time at the event, so prioritize comfort. Choose fabrics that are lightweight and breathable and allow for easy movement to ensure you feel comfortable throughout the party. Number 4. Personal style. Don't feel pressured to wear something that does not suit your personality. Whether you love classic elegance or modern trends, there is an Indian wedding guest dress out there for you. Go for any dresses that speak your style, only then can you rock it. Number 5. To be respectful. Indian weddings are time for families to come together and celebrate. While you want to look your best, avoid overly revealing clothing that can make you feel underconfident sometimes. Number 6. Good looks. No outfit is complete without perfect accessories. Jazz up your look with accessories like necklaces, earrings, bangles, clutches, fine pair of shoes. You can add hair accessories and sometimes sunglasses also to bring out the chunks of your looks. Remember, your hair, makeup, and accessories should always complement your ensemble. And don't forget to add a touch of your personality. And now, we are going to see the ceremonies and the variations of outfits and looks we can pick. Whether it is a haldi ceremony, it is known for a lively and colorful atmosphere. The most preferred color for this event is yellow. But, as per the latest zeitgeist of the trend, there have been very many additions to the color spectrum. But, remember, it's a must opt for outfits in bright and cheerful colors like orange, pink, or red to match the festive spirit. Choose fabrics wisely: cotton, silk, georgette, chiffon, or any other lightweight and a breathable one that provides a comfortable drape with a touch of sheen, as it is mostly a daytime function. Consider wearing a sari. It can be a plain sari or dual tone of colors with some embroidery for blouse, wide necks, various sleeves, or you can prefer a sleeveless choli for a summer wedding. Lehenga. You can twirling in an A-line lehenga that flows gracefully outwards. Don't forget to experiment with your choli, sleeves and necklines, like sweetheart necklines, halter necks, off-the-shoulder styles bring a modern twist. Salwar kameez. Look for salwar kameez with embellishments to match the vibe. You can also choose a kurta with sharara for an elegant look, or get a fusion look, like dhoti pants with kameez, wide leg pants with top, pre-draped sari, draped skirt skirts with tops and shrugs. Next is Mehendi ceremony, as the most colorful daytime celebration of the joyous occasion. Vibrant colors, prints, flowers, embroideries, and whatnot are included in this event. Here, the most used color is green, as it represents the Mehendi or Henna color. But any bold colors, like pink, orange, violet, yellow, blue, even multiple colors, can be used, and intricate, lightweight weaving are very much popular among people, which refers to the visual arts, as well as refreshing with a natural balance. Go for any shades of green plain saris, with blouses that have embellishments, or contrast in colors, sequined saris, in bright or light pastel hues, and dual tones, floral prints, either pastel or bright colors, grab attention with your personal style of draping. When it comes to lehenga, pick green lehenga, from lighter to darker shade, dual tone of colors, or any bright colors, or emphasized one particular element, like the blouse, dupatta, or skirt of the lehenga, floral lehenga in any color or shades, or even choose multicolored flared lehengas that have panel or layers with variations of choli minimally designed for your own pattern. Drape dupatta in different ways to elevate the look. Monotone salwar suits in any cuts or shades. Variations of anarkali dresses or embellished sharara set in different colors, prints, or embroideries are suitable Mehendi dresses for wedding guests. For the fusion ideas, you have many options in skirts with different types of tops, jackets, or style with various shrugs. With skirt or pants, you can pick pre-draped dresses that actually looks like saris, or pick any of the dhoti style, even most comfortable kaftan dresses that you can also choose to use in your style. Remember to select colorful clothing and avoid wearing all white or all black. The Sangeet ceremony. This is pretty much the epitome of the whole assembly. From a dance-off to delicious food, this evening event is a fun-filled too. The possibilities of outfits you can pick for the Sangeet are endless. Typically, the guests wear bright colors, but it's completely up to you. Just mind it. Traditional saris or dresses can be too much for the event, and don't forget to choose an outfit that will move with you for a very long time. That can be a contemporary sari look, shimmering in a way that makes you graceful. Dual tones in color, and some embroidery designs, often incorporating with different types of ruffles. Or you can choose pre-draped saris with a touch of sheen. For lehenga, pastel color, and shimmering embellishments, with different cuts and shapes of the top, or high-volumed, fully embellished lehengas, in any bright colors, too. For an elegant twist, also different mermaid skirts with tops are the lists of your Sangeet event outfits. Don't forget to style your dupatta in various ways to elevate the look. You should consider wearing your most comfy clothes that can easily help you to enjoy yourself throughout the event. Get your comfy kurta that can be any bold or vibrant colors, cuts, and patterns that have neck or hemline embellishments with wide pants. For Indo-Western outfits, like wide pants, flared skirts, with variations of tops and shrugs, with embellishments, and the variations of necklines and sleeves, or kaftan dress speak the modernization of the trend. And now, we are going to be in the wedding celebration. It is the function when we can pick up our traditional Indian attire and look really mesmerizing, as the traditional approach never goes wrong for anyone. There may be traditional Indian saris, lehengas, or even salwar kameez that can give you the opportunity to bring out your inner Indian beauty. If it's a daytime wedding, play with lightweight fabrics like georgette and net saris in pastel colors, and shimmering borders or blouses can add the beauty of each one. Traditional silk saris like Banarasi, Kanjivaram, organza, or many more that you can also choose to be a classic elegance. Keeping in mind your own comfort level, there are options for ruffled saris also. that can easily make your look graceful. For lehenga, pastel hues or eye-suiting bright colors are very much popular for daytime function. They can be flowy, flared, multi-layered, embroidered, with variations of choli or blouse minimally designed for the balance of the whole look. Embroidered floral lehengas in any cuts or shapes made of lightweight fabrics are very easy to choose for daytime events. For comfort, don't forget to experiment with different types of sharara set, long flared, A-line or straight line kurta with dupatta. Do not miss the anarkali style kurta. Choose one that provides you the best fit and you will rock. Remember, in a day function, choose color shades wisely that complement the entire environment. Otherwise, it will be more eye-catching. And that never goes well for a guest in wedding functions. But for the evening program, go as well as you can make yourself comfortable in any way of styling. It is an evening program, your options are wider and you can choose richer fabrics, brighter colors too. For saris, go for classic silk saris with pastel hues, or different bold colors, patterns or different classic fabrics that you can play around with various draping styles, and accessorize with hairdo, necklaces and more other ones. For lehengas, choosing a beautiful lehenga is not difficult. Brocade, silk, georgette or organza are the options of fabric. Bold colors like pink, yellow, blue, orange, green, red or purple. Even any pastel shades in color you can choose if you want to try. For salwar suits, variety of sharara set in different bold colors, embellished with details like cuts, shapes and embroideries are suitable, and silk kurta with dupatta can be stylized, or wear the colorful anarkali style kurta and emphasize your body with elongation. For the Indian wedding ceremony, it's typically recommended wearing a sari or lehenga, but it's not more important than your comfort when you get fusion ideas like long or short jackets, ruffles, pleats, or draped fabrics like skirts, pants, or dress. Go for heavily embroidered and vivid colors in night events. And here the reception party, celebration of togetherness forever, that is not traditionally part of an Indian wedding, but recently been adopted to close out the wedding in an elegant and entertaining way, with a similar format to a Western event. So, try to keep your look Indian, but with a modern twist. Try for a sequined sari with an embellished blouse, or dual tone in color, plain georgette or satin saris with a shimmering border, and a blouse that can make your look rich and elegant. Pick any dark colored heavily embroidered saris, and pair with minimal jewelry, or pastel shades of any color and pair with contrast or heavy jewelry. Even pastel shades saris with minimal jewelry and go with the twist of various designed blouses. Matching belted saris, jacket style sari or corset blouse can enhance your look. Even a cape or pre-draped sari can help you find a classy look. Fully embellished lehengas with multiple colors, shades, different blouse designs and finely accessorized look. Even for the twist, avoid dupatta and go with capes, or go for mermaid skirts with different types of tops will make the look kind of Western outfits. For salwar suits, you are free to try playing around with different pastel shades in flared, A-line, straight kurta, or colorful long kurtas, and pair with some minimum jewelry. A variety of sharara sets in different colors, or all-time elegant anarkali style kurta, which is a complementary addition in every Indian wedding function. Choosing fusion ideas will help you to create the illusion of Western style, like draped skirts paired with different types of tops that can fully emphasize your style. For elegant yet comfy clothes, pick kaftan style tops with minimum embellishments, and pair with skirts or wide pants, and any types of gowns. Eason wide leg pants with tops can go with modern trends. Remember, accessories can make a big difference in your look. The last and most important thing is confidence, which is the best accessory of your look. There are no hard and fast rules, but by choosing an outfit that makes you feel confident and beautiful, you become a part of the joyous occasion. So, experiment, have fun and let your personality shine through. Here is the end of today's video. I hope you can pick one right outfit for your look. If you are looking for which lahanga suits you well, and for body shape details, watch the videos linked in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fashion tricks. Till then, stay stylish and confident.